quick step into my new Wren kitchen with me. We chose Wren because we popped by the Merry Hill showroom at Wren's and we were so impressed. So many options, really friendly staff, and we just felt guided from the beginning. I think we had so many different kitchen plans and then we finalised on this one, and I'm just so happy. And the VR experience is where you literally can walk around the kitchen in store. It is insane. But I actually really enjoyed it. I do think my always go-to colour is going to be greens. Emerald green, but jade green is my favourite. And maybe because I got green eyes, but because we got a very light kitchen with the windows, that's why we wanted to complement it with a dark kitchen. I love the handleless options. I think it just looks so simple for us. It just had everything we wanted. Favourite appliance has to be my integrated LED microwave. Look at this magic. How cool is that? I love how social it is, like the bar area. I love because with the stools we can sit and eat our dinner. We are facing one another, so that is really important for me. Come and take a look. We got some chicken, gonna have that for tea with some carrots later. I got some broccoli and cauli. I got plenty of melon and fruit, eggs. We got some salad, some protein yogurt, plenty of water. I think it's quite healthy actually. What do you think? We were just instantly impressed with the amount of choice, the help in store. And then we started the design process and we were away, but also I'd also heard so many brilliant things about Wren's. My parents have a Wren's kitchen, and yeah, from the whole process, from beginning to end, customer services, everything have just been so easy and so brilliant. Start your renovation today.